In this video, we will show you how to create and use a whisper message. A whisper message is a short message which only you will hear on your end of the line during a call when you are connected with contact. This will help you best serve your customers to have context for a call. To set up your whisper message, follow these simple steps. Navigate to Settings and Phone Numbers. Select from the phone numbers that you have and click the pencil icon to edit whichever number you would like to update with a whisper message. Once this pop-up window appears, you will check the box for whisper message. You can type in whatever you'd like here. Note that you can use custom values, so I'm going to paste one in here. This means the whisper message will say, "This call is from John Smith," or "This call is from Sally Jones," when the call is connected. Click Update to save and confirm your changes.